your girl Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's going to be just a cute little video. It's going to be me using a cute little makeup tool that I found online. And it is basically a face makeup stamp. And how I came up with this idea, I saw that Milk Makeup came out with a product, and it's a stamp, and they have star stamps for your face that you can put on after you've got your makeup on. And I love stuff like that. I love quirky little fun things like that. It kind of goes along with more of a festival theme or carnival or something like that. But like legit, I would wear this like all the time, like it doesn't even matter. So I had to go and pick this up. Now you guys, this is not from Milk Makeup, okay? The pen, and let me show you what this one looks like. This is called the Double Eyeliner Hing Fang. I got it from Amazon, okay? I got this for, I believe, $5.99 for this, and it comes and it looks like this. One side is a star stamp. Okay, the other side, if I can get this open, the other side is a felt eyeliner, felt tip eyeliner. And so I saw Milk Makeup with this stamp. Milk Makeup stamp, I think is like $12.99. Y'all know me, my cheap ass. I was like, I'm not paying $12.99 for a stamp, because when you add on shipping, y'all know when that shipping tax on, y'all be like, So yes, with the shipping, it would have been $20 for a stamp. I was like, not gonna work out. So I got this from Amazon, and this was $5.99 for this stamp. And if you have Prime Golden, you don't even have to work or worry about shipping or anything like that. So I just thought this was so cute. I am ready to use this. Y'all know I love my rhinestones. Anything extra, okay? Anything extra, Kelly is here for, okay? Kelly Barbie is here. So I'm just gonna be using this. I'm not really gonna use the liner, I don't think, but I definitely will use a stamp and a cute little spot on my face, a few spots possibly. We're gonna see if this works out. Now I did test it before. I do know that you wanna like stamp it on something first to kind of get like the lame stamps out of the way. So I'm gonna do a second one, and a third one, and a fourth one. So as you can see, these look a little better than that one. So you kind of want to like play with it first, get it like ready and primed, if you will, and then go ahead and see if you can make it look super cute on your face. And that's what it's gonna be. So if you guys want to see how I use my stamp makeup, and I'm gonna do a cute little eye too. It's gonna be a really neutral eye today that I'm gonna do and use. So if you guys want to see it, if you guys want to fuck with what I came up with, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm back. As you guys can see, I pretty much have all of my face done except for my lips and my eyes, okay? So today I'm using my Milani Must Love Mattes. Don't get it twisted, don't get it confused with the Bold Obsessions Milani palette. This is something different. This is the Most Loved Mattes. Now, as you guys can see, one of it is gone, one of them are gone, and this is literally how it came. So Milani, y'all got some explaining to do, okay? So I'm just gonna pop a few of these cute little neutral mattes on my eye to keep it cute and simple, okay? And I'm probably gonna stick around here, just these. I don't really deal with any of this over here. I don't know what that is, but I'm probably gonna stick with these for my eye look, you guys. And let's just jump right motherfucking into it. So for the first shade that I'm gonna take, it's gonna be this one right here, and I guess this is called Catch a Tan. So I'm gonna use this right on my eye. And you guys, first of all, I'm falling in love with Real Techniques. I have been playing with their brushes for the last few months, like really playing with their brushes, and I'm like living, okay? So if y'all haven't been messing with Real Techniques, I was gonna need y'all to get into it, okay? So the next shade that I'm going in with is going to be this one, and it's called Hiking in Sedona. And I'm just going to pop it in right here. Keep it nice and simple, you know, today. And just really vibe. Just really vibe with these matte shades that Milani has going on. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my third shade. Okay, it's going to be this one right here in the corner, and it's called Chocolate is Life. Yes! I'm living for the name of this shade. Chocolate is Life. Yes, it is. Why? Yes, it is. I've heard that a few times. Okay. Okay guys, so I am back. I finished blending out Chocolate is Life. Now I'm gonna add one more shade. I'm just gonna pop it right here on my lid, and the shade that I'm gonna use is this one, and it's called Bust a Mauve. I pop that literally right in the center. It's right here. And I'm gonna do the same over here. Okay guys, so I am back. I'm done with my eyes. I went ahead and popped on some cute little lashes. These are Athena lashes. Right here. Use my code Kelly's Babes. I'm gonna leave the information down below for all of my affiliations, as well as the products used in this video. Of course, you guys just look down below, check out what I've got down there for you guys, as well as leave a comment. That's always greatly appreciated. Scroll all the way down from the video and you will see the comment section, and there you will be able to interact with me. Okay, so let's get to it. I've got the stamp right here. I'm just gonna shoot my shot. I hope it works. Let's get into it right here. Okay, let's see. It's like I want it to look like I'm a gang member, like maybe I shot somebody, but then it's like I want it to look sexy at the same time and flirty. Okay, it's on. You guys, I'm freaking out. Oh, yes, that's how you motherfucking do shit, okay? That's how you motherfucking do shit. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, Lord. Okay, I'm gonna do one more for y'all on this side, and we'll see how it works out. Let me see, what does the box have? Okay, this one's like lower. Okay guys, I got it on. I'm trying a second one. Not bad. How cool. This is really cool. I like it a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna try one right here. A little bit higher, Kelly, and it's kind of like right on my temple, like right below my eyebrow pretty much. Not bad, right? Yeah, it didn't look bad. I don't know if you guys can see it. It doesn't look bad. I'm gonna try one more down here. And there you have it, guys. I'm like pleasantly surprised. This is crazy. Yay! So this stamp is, y'all, it's Kelly approved. I know you guys can't see this one too much, but I feel like this stamp is Kelly approved, motherfucker. Now, I didn't get them to line up very much, but it's okay. Like, I think it's still cute, right? Okay, let's move on to the lips, guys. Let's move on to lips. Okay, so today for the lips, I am using the Katy Perry Covergirl liquid I think this is just more of a gloss. It's not a matte liquid lipstick or anything, but this is in the shade Kitty Karma. And these are cute. I think these came out like, I want to say at least 3 years ago. At least 3 years ago. Her line with Covergirl. And so I saw this walking by it. I love pink, you guys already know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this gloss on my lips. It has no scent. Well, a little bit of a scent. Just a little bit, but it's cute. Ooh. This is so pretty. Again, this is the Katy Cat Gloss. That's what it says. Okay. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this a lot, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the reveal. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get in the reveal. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Scandinavia setting spray. Let's do it right. X and a T. Y'all know I want some more. I want some more! It feels so good. It feels like so misty.